Mutual funds are very similar to sports. One day Sachin will be at the top, the second day Virat Kohli performs better, the third day Mahendra Singh Dhoni performs better. So we need to be very careful about tracking the same, about ensuring that our portfolio has the best informed, the top number one performing batsman in our team, and that's what we'll be doing in our small cap mutual fund analysis. Let's get started. Who is the small cap mutual fund winner? Let's try to find it out, whether it is Invesco mutual fund, whether it's Bandhan small cap fund, whether it's Edelweiss, Nippon, n number of funds. On what basis you would decide who is the winner and which two small cap mutual funds you should get exposure to. Let's try to find it out. The very first parameter we'll be discussing about is 5-year rolling returns. On different websites like Grow, ET Money and other which you use for your mutual fund investments, they generally show you the 5-year trailing returns, which is not the right way to look at. So we'll be talking more around 5-year rolling returns. And if we see, I've taken 5 funds whose 5-year rolling returns we have: Invesco, Edelweiss, Nippon, Axis, out of which this might look that, okay, out of the 5-year rolling returns, Edelweiss might look as the best bet. And based on 5-year trailing returns, you would see, Nippon is coming as the best bet. But this then puts you in confusion which fund to choose for. As of now, which I would suggest is, based on the 5-year rolling returns, you would ideally want to keep 1, 2, 3 in your portfolio, but this is not yet done. We are at first parameter. Now the list of mutual funds continues 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 with respect to 5-year rolling returns, which is our first parameter. We continue the search and we find out that the Tata Small Cap Fund and the Quant Small Cap Fund emerge as the winners amongst these, but we are still clueless with respect to second parameter, which we'll figure out. Now the second parameter that comes in to do the analysis is the Sharpe Ratio. What does it mean is, Sharpe Ratio indicates your risk adjusted returns. Now what is the meaning of risk adjusted returns? That means that is the risk worth the returns I am getting. I am putting in that extra risk by investing in these small cap funds, but is that risk worth it? And higher the number of the Sharpe Ratio, the better the mutual fund you're investing in. And if we just go by the ratios, if you see, the best fund which would come out is 1.26, which is for Bandhan Small Cap Fund. What it means is that if I am investing in any of these 5 mutual funds, this fund will be giving me maximum returns given the risk I am taking. So based on the Sharpe Ratio, I would ideally want to see that I am invested in these 2 mutual funds, which is Invesco and Bandhan Small Cap Mutual Fund. Now the list of small mutual funds did not end at those first 5 funds. So we have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, which also form a part of a large number of people's portfolio. Quant Mutual Fund was very, very popular. Then SBI Small Cap Fund was also very popular. HDFC Small Cap Fund was very popular as well. But if we look at their Sharpe Ratios, which is the most important parameter for us while we are discussing the second parameter, we find out that apart from HDFC, none of them are worth the risk with respect to the returns. Till now we have seen 2 parameters, and if I give equal weightage to both the parameters, 5-year rolling returns also 50% weightage, Sharpe Ratio also 50% weightage, what I've done is I've kept all the 10 funds together, their rolling returns, their Sharpe Ratios, and I've multiplied by 0.5 to get a cumulative score. And if we see the cumulative scores, the top contenders come out to be Invesco Small Cap Fund, Bandhan is not there, Edelweiss Small Cap Fund, then there is Tata Small Cap Fund, then Quant Small Cap Fund. So ideally, as of now, I have 4 contenders: 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now you're still confused why I've kept Bandhan there, why Quant is sitting at 8, why it is not sitting at 1, 2, 3, 4, why this is happening, because we are still not able to figure out of the top 4 or top 5, which 2 should you choose? And for that, let's try to understand another set of analysis for you to figure out the top 2 to 3 funds where you could have exposure. Now to solve for all the confusion, what I've done is the shortlisted ones. After we did the preliminary analysis, we have 5 funds in front of us. I've taken 3-year rolling returns because Bandhan Mutual Fund did not have 5-year rolling returns available. So we have this one metric, then we have Sharpe Ratio. Then there's another metric which we have added is volatility score, which means that higher the number, the better it is for you amongst the peers. It is only for comparison amongst the peers. So higher the number, better it is. And I've given weightages. That means consistency is the thing that matters the most. So rolling returns matter the most, 50%. Efficiency, that means the risk I am taking for the returns I am getting, that matters at second number, which is 30%. And finally, volatility. That means I don't want that tomorrow it is at 1 to the next day it is at -1. So that also matters for me when I am considering, again, peer comparison. That is the most important part. And when I do the maths for all of this, these are the total numbers. If you see, these are the total numbers which have come for, and based on these numbers, my winner comes out to be Edelweiss Small Cap Mutual Fund, and then it comes out to be Tata Small Cap Mutual Fund, and after that it comes out to be Invesco Small Cap Fund. But this is my way of analyzing mutual funds. If you like this, the way I analyze, I would love to have your thoughts as well. But based on this, we should ideally be going for few of the top funds which we identified. These rankings, these numbers keep on changing, so we need to keep a constant check. Do like, share and subscribe this video if you love this content. Thank you.